handful today, y'all. Handful today. So we starting right there. Got this sidewalk. Ooh, this gonna be a rough one, y'all. Sidewalk way up here. Way up there. It's probably 100 yards, y'all. Way down there. Far up here. And then this front driveway is, ooh, I'm gonna show y'all what we working with. So that's what we got. That sidewalk all the way down. Be back, y'all. I'll show y'all the driveway. I'll be back. All right. This the driveway, you guys. It's kind of old, it's tore up, but it is what it is. I'm gonna do what I can do. All right, here you go. So got all up in there. A whole bunch of weeds. See, the pavers broke up, they split apart. Algae so thick in the middle of it, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Look. Then it go way around here. All of that. Way around here. All the way up top. Ooh, look at these pavers, bro. Dang. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get up in here. It's uneven, they up and down. Dang. It's a little rough. It's a little rough here, y'all. Well, I'm here, man. Let me get to work. I got a lot of work. I should have brought me somebody to surface clean with me today. I sure should have. All right, let's see what we could do. Y'all can see how that came out. We're gonna rotate and we're gonna go the opposite way. See how that look? See how that look? Big difference. That's the difference, you guys. This right here, see that right there? And that's right there. That's what you get. That's what you get. That's the difference, you guys. Let's do it. So always try to upsell. So basically I just tried to upsell on this. Y'all see how that all along these edges, how green and nasty it is. Just try to let them know once I do this concrete, it's gonna stand out. You're gonna be able to see the difference. So I asked him, did he want me to go ahead and hit that while I was cleaning the sidewalk? But he said, no, don't worry about it. So you always gotta try, you guys. Just point things out to your customers. So we're gonna keep going all the way down, then I'll get back with you guys once I rinse. All right, stay up. God bless you. God over everything. All right, guys. I have hit the sidewalk all the way down. We're gonna rinse now, you guys. We're gonna rinse. This is the rinse process. Y'all hanging out with your boy. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna post treat certain spots, like right there. Y'all see that spot? We're gonna come back and we're gonna post treat that at the end. Everything will be dried up on us, and I'll come back and post treat it. So let's move on, you guys. Let's do it. Miracle Pressure Washing, we in the building. Y'all remember the neighbors over there? That day I was out here and the wind was blowing all hard, and I did they back walkway and they back deck. Look, I'm right next door. That's how you do it, man. What them referrals do, man. When you do quality work, you get them referrals, man. Quality work gonna get you referrals. Let's go, let's do it. Y'all already know how we do it, man. We don't know no other way, man. Let's go. Miracle Pressure Washing. We in the building. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Let y'all see me a little bit. I know y'all like looking at me. Miracle man in the flesh. You know what I'm talking about? God over everything. God over everything. He kept me, man. So I'm gonna push to the end. That's all I know. Miracle Pressure Washing. Glory to my Father, man. Thank you, Jesus. God is good. God is good. We woke, we see another day, y'all. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna go to these front pavers. I'll be right back with you. So we're gonna just blow everything off. Gonna blow everything off. and I'm out here playing in the dirt mud. Yeah, let's do it. I'm having fun, man. This it right here. This the life. This the best right here. This the life, man. Look, woo. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's time to ride out. I'm crazy, man. Hey, man, I'm hilarious, man. I'm hilarious, man. Let's do it, man. Miracle pressure washing. Miracle pressure washing, man. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know what I'm going to do with this water, but let's go. It got to go somewhere. All right, man. Well, let's continue to have fun. Y'all stay posted, man. We about to do a little rinsing. I still got a lot to do. Let's go. This one, I need that big old surface cleaner, man. I need somebody to buy me a big surface cleaner. I need like a 30 cent inch, man. I need it, man. Somebody invest in that for me, man. Miracle pressure washing. Invest in that surface cleaner for me, y'all, so I can do something. Let's go though. We still here. Let's do it. So we rinsing right here, you guys. Hey, I had to move frontage. I had to turbo nozzle, weeds, and all kind of stuff from up here, man. This was a fun day. I had to make this a fun day, really, because I really was kind of in my feelings a little bit from what I did. I kind of really outdid myself on this when I went on the job, and I estimated it. And I went way lower than I was supposed to go. Once I got there again to look at it to start working, I was like, wow, did I really just do this? But it's all good, man. Sometimes you just have to take the good with the bad, man, and that's just how it is, man. But once you give your estimate out, basically, you can't come back and change no prices. You just got to go with what you go with, you know. So it's all good. I still look at it as I got paid for the job. So it is what it is. So right here, I was turbo nozzling everything real good. Y'all see that thing cleaned up real nice. I'm talking about, them weeds was thick up on that patio area. I'm talking about real thick. But look how clean that came out. It came out nice and clean, you guys. So I'm trying a new thing, man. I got to figure this out. It takes a lot of time, but I got so much stuff going on. But we going to figure it out, you guys. So check this out. I'm going to show y'all once everything get the way it's supposed to be. This is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look. When I rinse everything and clear that all out right there. When I clear all that out right there, it's gonna look like this right here, you guys. So I got a lot of work to do. Then we gotta go surface clean all that right there. You see the difference right there and right there. Then we gotta go all the way around there. I gotta move my truck. We gotta do all this here. We got a lot of work today, you guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna keep rinsing. All right, guys. So like I said, man, you got to take the good with the bad. So I really didn't come out here and look at these pavers like I was supposed to do. I was busy that day. I had to go get my daughter. My son had a basketball game. I had a lot going on. Basically, I just went off of the size of the pavers. I didn't look at the condition. So that you have to go and look at jobs most of the time, especially when you got a lot of square footage, you guys. So I didn't see it. So, hey, it is what it is, you guys. All right, y'all, we still got all this to do. Still got this to do. Look how uneven these pavers is. Ooh, how I'm gonna be surface cleaning this. They so uneven. They go up, down, up, down. Dang. Oh man, I got a lot of space to do. Yeah, I did it on this one, y'all. Look at them pavers. What I'm gonna do right there? Oh man, what I did. Oh, what I did. I stuck my foot in, I don't know where. Y'all tell me where I stuck my foot at. Oh man, I still got a lot to do. Oh man. Dang. Well, this right here show you guys not to never underquote yourself, man. Cause that's what I did on this job. So I can't cry. I gotta go ahead and do it. I gotta go ahead and do it, y'all. I'm up here still. About to move my truck down, take my truck up out of here, and get on this area. Show y'all what the difference looks like so far. I stopped right there. You can see right there, I stopped right there. And you can see the difference. You can see the difference, big difference. Miracle. 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 That's what I do, man. All right, time to move on. Let's go. I'll be back. We're gonna exit and do the same thing. All right, y'all. I blew everything off. I'm about to pre-treat everything with the X-Jet again. Same routine, you guys. So I don't think you guys really need for me to record all of this. I'm just gonna give you part of it. This is where I left off at, you guys. Like I showed you before, you can see the difference. We start right here. So I'm gonna start pre-treating all of this. Pre-treat all this all the way down. And then we're gonna get to it, man. And get up out of here, man. I probably got like 3 more hours here. It's a lot of surface cleaning. So let me get to it, man. Like I say, you guys, same routine, nothing changed. I'm gonna crank up and get the rolling, man. So we're gonna do the same thing, you guys. We're gonna X-Jet to pre-treat, come back surface clean, and we're gonna give it a good power rinse at the end, you guys. Same routine all the way through. So I think I'm gonna show you guys maybe one more time, and then we're gonna get going, you guys. So same thing, pre-treat, surface clean. All right, family and friends, I got everything surface cleaned up to my truck right there. Oh man, boy, y'all want to see how I look? Let me, hold on, turn the camera around. Tired. I'm tired, man down. Man down. Oh man, what I did on this one, y'all. I worked myself, but it's all good, man. Like I say, boy, you gotta take the good with the bad, man. So all this surface clean, we're gonna come back and go back and rinse. We're gonna rinse, a lot of rinsing. You can kind of see the difference because it's starting to dry over there. Starting to dry over there, so I gotta come back and rinse all this. Look at all that water. How that water just shit, dirt, mud. All right, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm about to rinse, a lot of rinsing. All right, you guys, so we're gonna rinse everything. We have surface cleaned all the way down to the end where my truck is at. This is a lot of surface cleaning, you guys. You see all this water. It was so dirty, you guys. That's why I said you have to look at property, especially when you have so much square footage. You have to be able to look at the condition of the property, because the condition of the property changes your pricing. If the property is not terrible, you can just go straight off the square footage. But if you have condition and it's bad, you have to change, because it's going to take more time, it's going to take more effort, it's just going to change everything. So you have to look at the property. This property had so many dips, it was just water everywhere, puddles everywhere. I had to fight my way up out of here. But hey, that's why I say I still learn, and I'm learning as I'm in this business. I'm still learning, you guys. So like I say, learn from me, you guys. Make sure you look at bigger properties. Make sure you go out and look at the condition of what it looked like, because you could bump into these issues. I really did underestimate this one, but it is what it is, you guys. I did get paid, so I'm cool with that. So it is what it is, man. Hey, but like I say, make sure you look at these properties, you guys, before you give estimates if they're big properties. So let's continue out, you guys. So that's it, y'all. I made it out, man. All that down there done. We right here. Y'all can see where I ended at. We right there. You can see the difference. All that's done. We right here, you guys. Long day, long day, long day. Long day on the block. Let's do it. Let's do it. We almost done. Almost done. It's bad down here. We finna clean this up, though. Let's do it. Let's clean it up. Miracle Man, let's do it. Let's go. It's almost over with. Same process, you guys. Exjet, pre-treat, and then we're gonna surface clean, rinse, and get up out of here, man. Same steps, nothing different. All right, we done, you guys. It's 5 o'clock. I started at like 11 this morning. This was a long job. Really long job. I expected 5 hours. I guess what? It took six hours. But these pavers are just really time to be replaced. You can see how it slumped down, come back up, and all of them off. It's just, they bad, you know. So I just cleaned them the best I could. They basically just need replacing. There's a bunch of trees, a lot of roots up under them. So all we can do is just clean them the best we can, you guys. So this was the best we can do. But everything's soaking wet. When it dry up, it will be a little lighter. But this is it, man. What you see is what you get. It was hard. Like I say, they all slumped. A lot of them loose. It was a lot. You know, this job made me really want to go get a bigger surface cleaner. I really think I'm gonna invest in this. Look at them. Oh man. But this part up here kind of dry. This is what I did earlier. And you can see, remember all these roots that was up here? It was a bunch of roots this morning. All gone, bye-bye. But yeah, this is what you see, is what you get, you guys. Bunch of pavers. They need replaced though, just being honest. So let's walk around the back. Show you guys what we did in the back. Well, you seen it earlier. It's a long sidewalk that goes to the dock. But yeah, long day. Like I say, you guys, be careful with your bids, man. I kind of rushed this one, but you know, it's all good. You know, sometimes that just happens in business, man. Trial and error. Take your time. Look at all the difficulties, difficult stuff that's gonna happen doing the job. You got to make sure you include that stuff too. You know, give yourself space for error. You know, like I had, water was very, very, very slow. I had to keep stopping, waiting for water. So that kind of slowed me down. That was probably a good added on hour to the job. You know, so water pressure is an issue. You always add like an hour on to yourself. You know, what else? You know, the pavers was loose. They kept a lot of them was coming up, was moving. The bricks not intact. I didn't check those when I came out. You know, I did see they was uneven, unleveled and all that, but hey, it be like that sometimes, you guys. So this was the concrete. Once I did it, I was gonna come back and post treat it, but the customer was pretty happy. He said it's good like this, so I didn't even have to post treat it, you guys. But if you look at the before this morning, it was way darker. A lot of algae was on it. It's all gone. So all right, that's it, man. I'm about to go get me some dinner, go home, kick my feet up, and relax, man. And try to see what I got for tomorrow, man. That's it, man. We out. Like and subscribe. I love y'all. God over everything. Let's do it. We out.